CNC turning and milling center, precision that drives productivity. Introducing the machine, engineered for stable, high-efficiency multi-process machining in one compact platform. With two 10mm X travel, 100mm plus or minus 50Y travel, and 620mm Z travel, it handles complex shafts and multi-feature parts with ease. The BMT55M Y160 servo turret combines turning and milling in a single setup, powered by a 5.5 kilowatts motor delivering 35 Newton-meters torque, and live tooling speeds up to 6,000 RPM. Featuring 0.005mm repeatability on X and Z axes, it ensures consistent accuracy for reliable batch production. The hydraulic programmable tailstock provides strong support and enhanced stability for long part machining. The machine a compact size, full capability, maximum efficiency,